Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. So, on today, I would like to share with you all a sponsored video. The Hisea Company contacted me and asked if I would review their boots. I agreed, and this is that review. So, this is the way it came to me in this package. I was blown away by one specific element of this boot, and that is the grips, the handles on the side. I find them to be genius. I loved it. It was so easy for me to just get these boots on, and they were very good looking. So I definitely wanted to put them to the test. So I tried them out for 3 days in my garden after all of this bad weather. I had a lot to do out there. So here's my boots. They are perfect size and they feel real good. So let's see what they're good at doing here. So here they are. They are beautiful boots. So I begin to read more about these boots. And one thing that I found so interesting is that they give a lifetime warranty, like 100 years, right? I found that to be amazing all by itself. Also, these boots are more than just gardening boots. They will keep your feet dry and warm. They're perfect for the farm or yard, hunting, fishing, as well as just casual occasions, because they are really good looking and comfortable. You could do so much more in these boots. So I worked in these boots like 2 days, and listen, I put them through the test. I put them through mud, dirt, all the things I have in my garden, and this is part of it. Right. So I've been working in my boots all day, right? And yeah, they got dirt and all kinds of stuff on them. This is just water. Just water. This is the coolest thing, right? It's just water. Look at that. Just water. So cool. So cool. Just clean it with water. And that is how easy it is to clean your boots, baby. Clean your boots. So there's one more thing I wanted to mention about these boots is they are breathable. Yeah. So listen, guys, I recommend these boots. They're amazing. I'm going to leave a link in the description box on how you can purchase you a pair of these amazing boots. I know you're going to love them. And when you get them, let me see.